Hello guys, today is March 1st, 2025. There are no severe thunderstorms forecasted and no thunderstorms forecasted. There is a critical fire risk for Tucson, Arizona and Charlotte. Look out for fast-moving wildfires, and if they do occur, humidity levels, and it's very dry and warm. Moving on to tomorrow, we have a marginal risk for Fort Still, Woodward, and Liberal. Look out for all hazards including tornadoes, wind, and hail. We will look at the models in a second about tomorrow and Monday. Monday there is a marginal risk for Dallas, Abilene, Wichita Falls, Fort Still, Norman, Oklahoma City, and Tulsa. Look out for wind and hail and possibly tornadoes. The storm predictor may issue it, but we will have to see. Just be aware that it could be issued tomorrow. We go to day 4, which is Tuesday. We have a enhanced risk for Memphis, Little Rock, Greenville, Shreveport, and Jackson. Look out for tornadoes, wind, and possibly hail. Also in the light green for the slight list, just be aware that you could get an action of this too. This could get updated to a moderate risk. We'll have to see though. It's an enhanced risk right now, but yeah. We're moving on to the models. This is tomorrow if we forecast this. As you can see, there's stuff right here. And then there's a few storms up here, and then it starts moving east and becomes stronger, and then this little line of stuff starts coming up, and then as it gets up here, there's more storms that have developed behind it. It comes into like a little mess, and then it moves down, and then this is Monday. As you can see, there's some severe weather for those areas. If we go to this, there's some snow up here in the northeast and the Pacific storm that's going to bring severe weather and stuff to these areas, and snow and thunderstorms. As we put this into motion, this is tomorrow. You can see that moved onto the Pacific coast, and this starts moving east with that severe weather. You can see it right there, and then the Pacific coast starts coming here. There could be some thunderstorms and snow. Colorado, snow and rain up here. There's some rain up in the mountains up here / Rockies, and then there's some rain, maybe thunderstorms up here near Wisconsin and Minnesota. If you move this and ahead, you can see the strong storms ahead, and then you can see it gets stronger, and then there's heavy snow in eastern Colorado, Nebraska, and all these areas. Might be some ice up here in Minnesota and Wisconsin, and and as you can see, the severe weather strengthens, brings rain to Georgia. All these little areas over here. Not little, but yeah. There's heavy snow on the edge of this, and then it becomes to like a severe / snowstorm kind of thing, and then it moves off the coast, and then there's snow behind it. And then as this is Thursday, we have another storm coming east, and it's bringing snow and rain, mostly snow for Colorado, and then as it moves, there's some snow and rain in Iowa, and then as it moves east, it starts to expand, and then there's some snow in the Great Lakes, Ohio Valley, and it starts moving east, and then all this part moves out, and then there's some snow in Colorado, and it kind of just stays there this part right here comes up, and then it becomes into a little thing, and then it starts going south, and then I would think there might be some severe weather on Sunday, March 9th. And as we move, there's some snow in Oklahoma. As we move forward, it's going to be severe weather, I bet, there. And then another Pacific storm, and there's some little snowstorms up here in the Northeast. And as the Pacific coast, there's another Pacific coast storm that comes off the coast on the 11th. And then it kind of, just this little part that comes to Colorado and all these Rockies areas that moves east, and then there's like a little rain shower right here that goes into Michigan, and then it moves east, and then we got another thing coming, Pacific storm, something like that, and it brings more rain to Colorado and basically all the Rockies, and then there's some snow right here. And then as it moves east, or as this little thing develops, there's like another little, maybe possibly some severe weather here, and it's rain, and then that little snow/rain thing moves east, and then it goes up like this up here, and then there's some severe weather possibly on the 16th, and then it moves up and it becomes significant in Canada, and there's more severe weather right here, and then it moves east, and then it moves this. If we go to this model, we can see how strong it is. So as you can see, that's the little line, that's the little severe weather for tomorrow. It moves east, and then there's some thunderstorms in Colorado. And then as you can see, this little line gets ready on, or the severe weather on Monday, and then it starts to strengthen, and then turns into a big line, and then there's snow in Colorado back there as well, and then there's snow in the Rockies, and then as you can see, there's some hail in these right here. So I would issue a hail risk, maybe possibly for on Tuesday, and then it becomes like a big storm, and then it kind of weakens as it gets to South Carolina and moves off the coast. And then another Pacific, and then there's a winter storm here in Iowa and on the severe weather thing front, and then another Pacific coast storm comes and drops snow and rain on the Rockies, and as it moves east, it kind of weakens and then becomes into like another severe weather line, and then another Pacific storm comes and then dissipates over Colorado pretty much, and then moves east. That's severe weather again, and then on the 16th, more snow in Colorado. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will probably go live tomorrow looking at the severe weather. Just be aware and stay safe. Bye.